How to switch to professional account on Twitter. So go ahead and open up your Twitter application. Tap your icon on the top left corner of the screen. Click on the option Professional Tools. Now on the drop-down menu, tap on Twitter for Professionals. Click on Agree and Continue. After that, select the options that describe your professional account and then click on Next. Next, you'll need to choose your professional account type, either business or creator. Just choose between these two and then tap Next. After that, you'll be welcomed to your professional Twitter account. Now, you can further customize your profile along with the things that you can do. This is just for personal preference and needs. But you can also just tap on Skip for now at the bottom, and after that, your professional account is now set up. So that is how to switch to professional account on Twitter. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.